but I'm just about to board Mariah Princess. This is a 77-foot lagoon sailing catamaran. Here she is. Okay, I'm just going to step on board along the passerelle. There we go. So let me take you out the onto the bow to start with. It's a massive boat. Feels huge. I just feel tiny on it. So this boat offers diving. There's 4 crew. Got sea bobs. They've just purchased a couple of e-foils as well. There's 4 crew on this boat. Only 2 are here at the show, unfortunately, but I'll get to meet the other 2 in St Thomas in a couple of days when we're there for that boat show. They're going to be taking everyone diving, the 2 crew that are coming. So we've got the captain and the chef on board at the minute. 7 like sea scooters, which are so cool. So you hold on to these and they power you along. You can do your snorkeling. Sunscreens, towels, everything's nicely embroidered with the logo. The tender that can take you to shore, take you on little snorkel excursions, etc. Wow, they've got a ton of towels, ton of beach towels. Okay, I'll take you inside. There's a few more other people viewing the boat at the minute, but we'll try and get out of the way. Go inside. It's so nice and cool. We've got the AC down. It's absolutely baking hot in Tortola at the minute. So this is the main salon. Beautiful couch. Look at that. So obviously they've got the outdoor seating there, and also if it's, I don't know, raining or if it's too hot outside, it's really nice to eat inside. When I was chef on a boat in the Bahamas particularly, it used to get really, really hot in the evenings, so it was nice to come inside sometimes. So it's nice to have the option to do that. So you've got a big TV that comes down, so sometimes it's nice to have a movie night. And or the kids might want to sit in here and watch a movie, and parents or adults can go outside and have a few drinks after dinner, and the kids can snuggle on down and watch a movie. So around here we've got like a bar area, coffee area, nice coffee machine, bean to cup. It's beautiful. There we go, nice sink. And then this door, you can go out, back out to the foredeck. Nice seating area, nice place to have some appetizers and cocktails. So let's go down this side. This is the master, and this is unique. Now this section here, you can open this out. We're not going to do it now because we're on the dock, but if you look on our Epic Yacht Charters website and search for Mariah Princess, this section actually folds down, so it's like your own private balcony over the water in your cabin, which is amazing. Got a nice big bed, nice big king bed, lovely flowers. We've got like a walk-in wardrobe. I don't even have a walk-in wardrobe at home, so this is incredible. I would love this at home. So nice. The carpet is so soft on your feet. Not all boats have a nice plush carpet like that. You've got a desk there, do your makeup. Right, bathroom, twin sinks, beautiful. And this, I've never seen this. I've never been on this boat before. Look at this, a heated towel rail. I've never seen that on a boat. Amazing. I like to have a nice warm towel. I know we're in the Caribbean, but when you've been in the sea all day and you have a nice hot shower, it's nice to have a nice warm towel. So, bathroom, shower. My favourite rain head again. Hi. Let's go back out. Come back up the stairs, and then go over this side, down here, another cabin, again beautiful soft carpet, it's a queen bed, robes, again with nice embroidery with the logo, Mariah Princess logo, rain head again. And towel rail, heated towel rail, lots of storage Lots of storage space. There we go. Again, a desk, which is nice. Right, we'll pop over to the port side of the boat. And go down here. Okay, so this is another cabin. Desk again. Bathroom, all important, heated towel rail. Lovely, lovely. So the guys table, they've got Starlink internet, and they've got smart TVs with all your Netflix and Apple TV and everything that you need. It's Chris Patrick. I'm just doing a live, so I'll just go down the other. There's Captain and Chef Kevin and Nicole. Nicole's an amazing chef. She entered the culinary competition today, so we wish her luck. Right, how do I... Kevin, could you help me get in here?
Yes, no
Sorry, I should know how to do this. Captain Kevin's going to help me. Oh, perfect. Lovely, lovely. Thank you, Captain Kevin. Right, got it. Right, and then we've got this one with access from the outside. Come down here. Beautiful. I love the under pelmet lighting. It makes such a nice difference. It makes it all nice and cozy at night time. When you've had a long day in that sunshine, sometimes you just want to cozy up and have a good night's sleep ready for the next day. Oh, let's go up to the flybridge. Show you up there. I'll shut this back up and keep it. Oh, thank you, Kevin. Keep the AC in, that's very important. Right, we'll take you up to the flybridge. And check this out, guys. A jacuzzi. There we go. Imagine sitting in there, looking out to sea. The crew bringing you champagne. Got lots of seating. Helm station. So Nicole tells you there's 5 ice machines on board this boat, so you're never going to run out of ice, which is good because we need that here. It's so hot. And they've got a couple of grills, so yep, they like grilling. And of course, it's a nice table here, so you can sit upstairs as well. It's so nice to sit on the flybridge of a boat when you're at anchor because you really do get a nice breeze. Because it can get hot out there, but it's lovely, and watch the sunset up here with a cocktail and an appetizer. Okay, so that, guys, is Mariah Princess. Thank you for watching.